Mobile phones, everyone uses them. And new technology has come and people are using upgrade versions of phones. But have you noticed something? On the phones, you have multiple sorts of applications. You have all sorts of gadgets there, every sort of widget there. But whenever you receive a notification, there is a whole sorting out of notifications. And a notification of a call comes as a primary notification because the mobile phone has not forgot its primary purpose. The primary purpose of a cell phone is to do calls and receive calls. So if a missed call has come, if a missed call is there, so you receive it on top, that so and so was calling. So that's the primary notification. What do we learn from that? Is that what is our primary purpose? The cell phone, a technology, hasn't forgotten its primary functionality, but we have forgotten our primary functionality. Meaning our purpose is to perform salah, is to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Leave alone focusing on salahs or going to the masjid or paying attention in salah. We become heedless of azan as well. Allahu Akbar. Let's learn this lesson and let's not be heedless of our primary purpose, which is the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.